Steno legal dictation. Start. It is to be noticed that according to the learned counsel appearing for the claimants, though the judgment of this court in the case of State versus Srimati Phulabai bracket में Supra is fully applicable to the present case, still the claimants would be entitled to difference and higher compensation rather than the one awarded under that judgment for the following reasons. Full stop. The notification under section 4 of the act was lastly advertised in the paper on 15th April 1994, though dated 2nd February 1994. Full stop. That being the last date of publication of notification in terms of the provisions of the Act should be treated as the relevant date for determination and payment of compensation to the claimants. Full stop. Despite the fact that there may be practically little evidence led both in these cases, still Exhibit 74 sale deed dated 4th July 1989 should be treated as the value of the land indicated as on 31st January 1989, the date on which the parties had agreed to sell the land for given consideration and had paid the earnest money. Full stop. Registration of the sale deed and completion of the transaction in July 1989 was a consequence of the agreement between the parties, and thus they would be entitled to increase in compensation for the intervening 6 months period from January to July 1989. Full stop. Para. In terms of section 34 of the Act, the claimants would be entitled to receive statutory rate of interest at the rate of 15% after the lapse of first year from the date of notification till the date of possession, that is 1st July 1994. Full stop. The learned reference court has erred in granting claimants only 9% interest for the entire period. Full stop. The lands where the claimants were taking 2 crops ought to have been treated as land and consequential deduction because the lands were treated as lands by the reference court should be page 1176 reversed, and the entire lands should be given common compensation. Full stop. And lastly, the claimants would be entitled to the benefit of section 23 under bracket 1A of the Act for the period commencing from the date of notification till the date of the award and not till the date of possession, that is 1st July 1994. Full stop. In response to these contentions, the learned assistance government pleader appearing for the state fairly stated that the claimants would be entitled to the benefit claimed by them in terms of section 34 of the Act at the increased rate under bracket 15% per annum after lapse of first year from the date of notification. Full stop. Thank you.